Yes, student, this is once again very important concept. This is terminology. What is terminology? Student, during the study of Lewis dot structure of some molecules like ozone molecule, nitrate molecule, carbonate molecule, okay, we have seen that between center atom and surrounding atom some number of multiple bond along with single bond is also present. That is what some molecule consists single bond as well as double bond within a molecule. Getting? Now, in case of there are two or more than two surrounding atoms, okay, around the central atom, and these surrounding atoms are of same nature, that is oxygen oxygen or hydrogen hydrogen etc., whatever, carbon carbon etc., and single bond as well as double bond is present, then how do we draw their Lewis structure? That means what? We can form single bond between any of the surrounding atom and central atom. We cannot say that only these atom will form double bond and this atom will form single bond. Are you getting? That means what? That means there is probability of giving more than one structure. Are you getting? That is single electronic structure is unable to explain. This is called resonance. So what is a resonance? When a single electronic structure, that is Lewis dot structure, electronic structure is unable to explain all the properties of a molecule, then more than one structures are drawn. More than one structures are drawn for such molecule. These different structures, different number of structures are called canonical structure, or form or resonating structure. And phenomenon is known as what? Resonance. This is called what? Resonance. Are you getting? Example: ozone molecule. Okay, its molecular formula is O3, and if we draw its Lewis structure, okay, now you know how to draw Lewis structure. In previous period we have already observed it. So how to draw Lewis structure? This is O1, this is O. Getting? And now there is a double bond present, one single bond is there, and there is what? One lone pair to complete octet. Now the number of lone pair in this oxygen atom is 2, but if we draw the Lewis structure, we will observe that there will be 3 lone pair. So there are 3 lone pair. Okay, there is 1 lone pair, there is 2 lone pair. This is the structure of ozone molecule. Call it structure number A, for AR1. Now, one of the student can say, sir, why don't we draw the double bond between this O and this O? Getting? Why is it necessary that we have to draw between this one and this one? Actually, no. we can draw actually what? One more structure between this is O, and now here is a double bond, here is a single bond. Now there will be what? 3 number of lone pair, while there will be only 2 numbers of lone pair, and there is what? 1 lone pair. Getting? This is become structure number 2. Actually, why it happens? It is because in between 2 atoms there is a double bond. Then these 4 electrons, mean 2 bond pair electron, will repel each other, and due to repulsion the stability of molecule decreases, isn't it? And if the molecule is unstable, then it tend to achieve stability. Okay, and what the molecule is doing within itself, what? The delocalization of lone pair electron and pi electron. Getting? Lone pair and pi electron. So when there is delocalization of lone pair and pi electron, some more structures are possible by this delocalization. Like here, say here is what? 3 lone pair. So the 3 lone pair will repel each other. Getting? That means what? That means now one of the lone pair will delocalize here. Okay, if the lone pair delocalize here, then it will appear in the form of bond pair. Therefore, now the double bond is formed. But if there will be double bond and also there will be double bond between the atoms, then number of bond will increase. Okay, in the center atom, and therefore it is not possible according to octet rule. That means what? In the same time, one of the pi electron will shift to the third number oxygen atom, and now if this pi electron is getting shift here, now these bond pair will appear in the form of lone pair. That means what? 1 and 1, 2 structures are possible for this molecule. That means any one of the canonical form is unable to explain its total, whole property. What is the property? Student, earlier I told you that between oxygen and oxygen, if there is single bond, then the bond length will be higher. And if between oxygen and oxygen there is double bond, then double bond will be shorter. So, by observing 2 canonical structure, it looks like there are 2 type of bond. Okay, one of the bond which is what? Single bond. Okay, its bond length will be 148 picometer, and if there is double bond, then its bond length will be 128 picometer. But actually the experiment shows that in the ozone molecule all the bond length are equivalent. All the bond length are equivalent. That means there is no 2 type of bond length. There is only 1 type of bond length, and this bond length is neither 148 nor it is 120 picometer, but actually it is the 128 picometer. Are you getting me? Student, you have to watch this video repeatedly for better understanding. Okay, because it is not possible to give each and everything in writing. Therefore, you have to observe the lecture properly. Okay. As we know, between O and O, okay, bond length is 148 picometer, and between O double bond O, bond length is 120 picometer. Okay, but experimental bond length in O3 molecule is equivalent equivalent, that is what, of 128 picometer. So what is the reason behind it? The reason behind it is resonance. Actually, these bonds are not stationary but are delocalizing, and due to delocalization, the bond length becomes what? Shorter. Okay. Now, due to resonance, delocalization takes place. Delocalization takes place, and each O bond acquire what? Partial double bond character. Okay, not complete double bond or single bond, but actually what? There is partial double bond character. So bond length becomes what? 128 picometer. Okay, that means what? That means now neither structure 1 is capable to explain whole property, nor structure 2 is capable to explain whole property. That means what? That means the complete delocalization takes place, and due to complete delocalization, one more structure is possible. Okay, this structure have what? Complete delocalization of one of the bond pair, like this. It is shown by dotted line. Okay, and what it shows now? It shows that neither there is complete single bond nor there is complete double bond, but actually there is partial double bond. There is what? Partial double bond. And now, being the partial double bond do not support 120 picometer or 148 picometer, but its average what? 120 picometer. This structure, that is structure number 3rd, this is called resonance hybrid. Okay. So what is the resonance hybrid? Resonance hybrid is obtained by complete delocalization of what? One of the, that means lone pair and pi electron pair. So this is called what? Resonance hybrid. Now, it obtained by complete delocalization. Complete delocalization of what? Lone pair and what? Bond pair. Lone pair and bond pair electron. Getting? Now student, if there is complete delocalization, then what? Each delocalization will leads by releasing of energy. That is, the energy of molecule will also decrease. Like if I am moving, I have to lose energy because the energy is involved. That means what? The energy of molecule will decrease. Means what? These two canonical form have what? High energy, while the resonance hybrid have what? Low energy. Low energy. That is, due to delocalization of electron, there is what? Low energy. So now, what is the resonance energy? It is the difference in the energy. Between the resonance hybrid and one of the most canonical form. That means what? Here there is what? High energy and there is what? Low energy. So the energy which is released during the delocalization, this is called what? Resonance energy. For a molecule, as greater the resonance energy, more will be the stability. That means what? The resonance energy is directly proportional to the stability. Means if more number of canonical structure, that is more delocalization is there, and if more delocalization is there, that means more energy will release. So if the molecule comes to lower energy level from higher energy level, the energy level reveals the stability. As lesser the energy level, more is the stability, and as higher the energy level, lesser will be the stability. Student, in canonical form, the energy is more. It is because there is what? A repulsion between due to presence of double bond. But in a resonance hybrid, there is very less repulsion because there is no double bond, but actually the double bond is partial double bond character. This is due to delocalization of electron. So as many times the electron will delocalize, more and more energy required for delocalization. Thus the molecule comes to lower energy level, and therefore it becomes more stable. That will simply we can say the resonance explain the stability of such molecule in which the alternate single and double bond are present along with lone pair, or simply alternate single and double bond. Like here, double bond, single bond, double bonds. That is called alternate single and double bond.